Sintim, good morning.
Good morning, Miniaba. Na pomwe.
Nyamia dum me hoye pa na we Sintim.
Me hoye bebre.
Yeda Nyankopon ase. Sintim, boy mu Central Region dia na ekoso.
Uba Central Region there na two major events. And I had the ekoso echegu with the one from him Central Region. The forthcoming Central Music Awards 2024 and I had Oguaa Fetu Afahye the 50th anniversary celebration. We had two major events for Central Region for Eshinim. Now, Central Music Awards, now, no, I'm a friend, Chiaka, from my CEO for Heritage Promotions, Mr. Francis Piojungo, and Heritage Promotion team members, and Academy and board members for Central Music Awards in Mina. Now, Endra, Thursday, 15th August, and I did a nomination for the 13th Central Music Awards. The Central Music Awards, and I feel the about the celebration. It was so 13th. For the past 13 years, Central Music Awards, the organizing awards, the musicians and what Central Region Abaso with my palm year or feeling now. Mayor and Dra and I European nomination for the 13th edition at the personal. Now I feel they introduce two new categories. At the categories now acquire 40 categories in all. Now two new categories here introducing one the best dance group of the year category. The best dance group of the year category Oba Ghana memoir and day now. So it's a dancers I would be promote the music Ghana. Now about Central Region so I dancers I would be promote Central music. I'm at the end of media dance videos. I'm performing various event centers. You now my Central music artists me producing I'm to promote it. They can say a heritage promotion. Your boss various dance groups now Central Region Abaso. It's the best dance group of the year category at the account. After so by a few man teams within the year under review, there were several events there were several renowned event organizing companies almost organizing various events already promoting Central music, In the nature say yes, also introduce the event of the year category. Event of the year category, event organizers, and the various events are also our Central Region, the Kukudam, and the Abaso. It's the two new categories that you introduce as part of the Central Music Awards for this year, best dance group of the year category, and the event of the year category. Into winner the already existing categories and 38, making 40 categories. And for this year's Central Music Awards, we are going to award 40 categories. That's what categories in a year you're open for nominations for various industry players and musicians almost Central Region who are recognized as Central artists. There are some artists they are based in Central Region, but they don't recognize themselves as Central artists. We don't know if Western or Central, or recognize us as a Western-based artist and also an Eastern-based artist. Then so you share a one more, or recognize you as Central artists. So if Central Region, or Central Region, now say, or outside Central Region, and so or your name you not recognizing them as a Central artist. These are the artists they are eligible to file for a nomination. Say Ghana, I didn't a Central Region or Yendum, and now say Otiamanoni, I didn't a Central Region at Toyeding or Yendum. Now for this year's nomination, there share a criteria and a crack. There share a criteria and a crack. First of all, the open nomination, I'll call various social media platforms the creative portal containing the nominee form, The Oye artist Sawaye Juma from August 2023. They see August 2024. That's the calendar year under review. No, you are in a good standing. Who do you say? Who do you say? Would you know? A CP, a SITA. I will say heritage promotions. Any academy members, they nominate you on your man. You have to go on our social media portals. There's a link there. You click on it. You download the nominees form. Of failure, no nominate on you. Our person they get nominated for the year under review. No, after you were 22 academy reps, and I said district reps for all the 22 districts in Central Regional. I'm also airborne because they are on ground and they are in touch with the artists for the respective districts. And if you want to say, I'm assisted a year musicians now. All the 22 districts,
Okay.
If you say a Kofi district, it's one of them Brapa district, Cape Coast North, Cape Coast South, Agona Swedru, Bomua East, Bomua West, Eutu, Senya, Futu.
All right. Bismarck.
Upper Danger, Lower Danger, and all the other 22 districts now, there were a rest on Boa Academy, disseminate information down to the artists.
Okay.
The open nomination, academy members now district now they are assisting the musicians to file for their nomination.
All right.
Now nomination
Bismarck
on the 31st August 2023.
Hello, Bismarck.
31st August Saturday you say a music seminar. Bismarck. Nomination on 31st November, Cape Coast for the music.
All right, and so Bismarck, I don't think he can hear me. We're trying to get more information about the Oguaa Fetu Afahye as well. We've heard so much about the Central Music Awards, one of the best. It's in its 13th year since its inception, and it's been going from strength to strength. And we will be there to see what happens there on that day. Bismarck. Hello, Bismarck. Aha. Me pacho yamra Oguaa Fetu Afahye nso so. Say boy mu kakra yedim se pempen so ba. Ye ya mamre ni amane nkitinkiti bi. Last a woni ye kasa ye no, wo ka say ban on noise making no took effect. Say akoti saying na preparation nso kosen for the main festival no.
The ban on noise making, that's so almost a ban on Tuesday, 6 August. Chimwa Kosi 22nd August, Thursday, the next week, and a ban on noise making on the left ban. Now, almost a ban on noise making, the Afahye Planning Committee, on my issue official communique for application for a media accreditation. A call for media accreditation. Journalists, photographers, bloggers, any media houses are Ghana Fanena will be offered all accreditation to take coverage of the Afahye festival. Officially, media house visit www.fetuafahye.com/media accreditation form. The science studio www.fetuafahye.com/media accreditation form. With the official website the Oguaa Fetu Afahye 2024 Planning Committee, I'm the application for the media accreditation. Also, I've read the following numbers: 0531 047722. 0531 047722. And now says the social media platform Fetu Afahye. You get the link and then you apply for your media accreditation. Now, I'm hoping the media accreditation, ending to know your book say 25th August and a deadline for the submission of media accreditation.
All right, Bismarck, yɛda ase pii sɛ wodi nkɔmɔ a ɛwɔ mfimfini mantam mu abɛbɔ Max TV ahwɛfoɔ nyinaa abusuafoɔ yɛ correspondent a wɔwɔ Central Region ɛna ɔde nea ɛkɔ so the Central Music Awards ɛne Oguaa Fetu Afahye ɛho nsɛm abɛbɔ yɛn nyinaa no ntomo a mo Central Region ɛne ne mpɔtam mu nyinaa no yɛba abɛka mo ho paa na yɛde Afahye no ama na yɛ kama